Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 3, Lesson 23. Friends, do any of you have a little sister or a little brother at home? You do? Oh my goodness. Is your brother or sister like this? My little sister always wanted to make sure she had more of something than I did. Oh my goodness. If I got 5 toys for Christmas, she wanted 6. If I had 4 cookies at lunch, she wanted 5. She was way into having at least one more than everything that I had. What a little stinker, huh? All right, so I cannot help but think of Candace, my little sister, when I teach this lesson. Because our learning goal for today says, I can identify sets of objects that are one more. Ooh, she would be so excited to be here because she would for sure want the group that had one more than the others. Let's see if we can go through and talk about some items, some different objects, and see if we can find what one more than those would be. Here we go. Okay, on the left-hand side, it says how many birds, and we see some birds over there. On the other side, it says draw one more cow than birds. Oh, I like cows. Okay, so it says, first of all, we, of course, need to figure out how many birds we have. Oh no, what are we going to do? How are we going to figure out how many birds are over there? You're so smart. Yes, of course, we're going to count them. Go ahead and get your good pointing finger and go ahead and tap on each bird as we count. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. In that little box, I'm going to go ahead and put a 3 because I don't want to forget how many one more would be. All right, on the other side, it says draw one more cow than birds. If I have 3 and I need one more, what number is that going to be? Ooh, good job, 4. If I wasn't sure, I could go ahead and draw 3. So I'm going to draw 3 to match my birds. 1, 2, 3. We practiced making the same number in our last lesson. So I already know how to do that. All right, I have 3. And then if I'm going to do one more, I just need to go ahead and keep counting on. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4. One more than 3 would be 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put that number in my box. All right, what do you think? Is Candace, my little sister, going to want the bluebirds or the cows? Yeah, she's totally going to want the cows because there's one more. Oh, that silly goose. All right, friend, just like yesterday, I want you to go ahead and go grab a dry erase board and a marker. Can you press pause while you do that? And then press play when you're ready because I'm going to have you do some good work too. Okay, are you all set, friend? Don't keep going unless you have your materials ready. All right, here we go. On this side, it says how many pigs, and I see a whole bunch of cute little pink piggies. Oh, I'm so excited because the other side says draw one more butterfly than pigs. Oh, I love butterflies. I cannot wait to draw them, but I need to know how many pigs I have first. Friend, can you go ahead and count the pigs for me and then let me know what number you get? Oh, good number. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 piggies. Okay, now it's your turn. You're going to need your marker and that dry erase board because I want you to draw one more butterfly than pigs. Now, friend, can I just be honest with you right now? This is not art class. So if you are not a good drawer or you don't like drawing butterflies, I'm totally cool with that. You can draw just a quick circle because in math, I like to use quick circles as my drawing because it's fast and it's easy, and I'm really good at drawing circles, okay? And I bet that you are too. So if you don't want to draw butterflies, that's fine. If butterflies take you too long, that's fine. Just draw circles. Okay, so we have 6 pigs, and it says draw one more butterfly than pigs. All right, so let's both start out right now. We know we have 6 pigs, and I know how to make the same number groups. So right now, let's go ahead and draw 6 butterflies together. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, if you're not caught up to me, go ahead and press pause while you finish your butterflies. Press play when you're ready. All right, you have your 6 butterflies now, friends. And it says draw one more butterfly. So go ahead on your board, draw one more butterfly, and then tell me how many butterflies you have. Good, yeah, because if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and draw one more, I'm counting on, and the next number would be 7. So 7 is one more than 6. Do you see how we had the same amount, and we just added 1? How did your drawings go? Did you get 7 butterflies too? Oh, what a rock star. All right, I'm sad to see him go, but go ahead and erase your board. Make those butterflies fly away because we're going to try another one. All right, if you're not ready, press pause, get organized, then press play when your board is clear. All right, how many meerkat? Oh, they're so cute. I love them. All right, and then the other side says draw one more seal than meerkat. All right, so what question do we have to answer first before we can start drawing our seals? Exactly right. We need to know how many meerkat we have. How many meerkat are there, friends? Well, that's a fast count. 1, 2. Yeah, there's 2 meerkat. All right, the other side says draw one more seal than meerkat. Friends, if you're a terrible drawer or you don't feel like drawing seals, what's another shape you could draw instead that's really fast? Yeah, circle. Yeah, just go ahead and draw a circle if you want to. I have a fancy picture on here, so I wouldn't. But if I had a paper and pencil, I'd be drawing circles all day. All right, so draw one more seal than meerkat. So I want you to go ahead and try that. We had 2 meerkat. I need you to draw one more seal than that, and then press play to check yourself. Okay, so ready? Let's check ourselves. How many did you draw? Ooh, let's see if that's right. So I know I had the same number would be 2, 1, 2, and then I'm going to add one more. So 2 plus 1, so 1, 2, 3. Friend, did you have 3 seals on that side? You did? Oh, you are so good with one more. I didn't even ask you. Do you like to have one more than everybody else in your family? You do. I know that I like to eat one more pizza than everyone. Slice of pizza than everyone else. Okay, go ahead and erase that good board with all those seals on there. Now, friend, if you had trouble with that, remember, the first thing you want to do is draw the same amount as the other side, the same number, and then just count on one more. All right, let's try another one. It says, how many monkeys? Draw one more fox than monkeys. Oh, that's a lot of monkeys. Friends, how many monkeys do you see there? Did you say 7? Okay, I'm going to have to count to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I got 7 too. Yes. Now it says draw one more fox than monkeys. Go ahead and press pause. On your dry erase board, you draw those foxes and then press play to check to make sure you had one more. Did you draw your foxes? Oh, don't press play unless you're ready. Okay, so I know to show one more. First, I'm just going to match it to the same number that I have of monkeys. How many monkeys did I have? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I have 7. That's the same number, and now I need one more. So I'm going to keep counting on. 7, 8. So 1 more than 7 is 8. So I should have 8 foxes. How'd you do, friend? Oh, nice. All right, on the count of 3, let's give ourselves a super clap for being amazing. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. Now, friends, if for some reason you didn't have 8 foxes, that's okay. Go back and try to figure out where you kind of made a mistake. Is it you were trying to draw too fast? Or, oh goodness, this happens to me when I'm in a rush. Did you kind of lose count? Oh man. Or, oh goodness, or is your picture a little sloppy? Oh man. You see, I didn't even draw the whole fox that time. It was too much to draw. I just drew his cute little head. Again, you can always draw the circles. And when you draw something easier and simpler with less detail on your board, it's a little bit easier to keep track of. All right, friends, well, you did amazing. Our learning goal for today said, I can identify sets of objects that are one more. And you did fantastic. I love how hard you worked on this. All right, now it's your turn to show me what you can do. First question says, how many cats? So friends, I'm going to need you to go ahead and tell me how many cats you see. So on your dry erase board, you can write the number 4. And then on your dry erase board on the other side, I want you to draw one more dog than cats. And then tell me how many dogs there are in all. All right? Good luck, friends. Can't wait to see your pictures.